This is Rob. At first glance, he is just a regular man. But that's only at first glance. In reality, he has super abilities. Because he has Volterman. At first glance, Volterman is just a regular wallet. But that's only at first glance. In reality, it has a stunning design, and it's packed with super abilities. The smart wallet helps Rob in a variety of situations. Once, when he was out with his girlfriend, Rob left his wallet in the cab. But Volterman notifies when it's been left behind and is being tracked easily by its owner. Volterman is the only wallet with worldwide traceability.
Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you, and I've got your photos opening it right here.
You are my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Rob's lifestyle is very active, and occasionally he forgets his phone in crowded places. But Volterman notifies you when you've left your phone behind.
Excuse me? That's my phone. Thanks. Got it.
Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
And there's more. Volterman has great functions for travelers as well. When you need internet anywhere in the world, instead of expensive roaming, you can use Volterman's Wi-Fi hotspot, which is way cheaper than regular roaming.
Go ahead, talk as long as you want.
I'm telling you, you're my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Sometimes, at very important moments, your battery dies.
Cut. This is a problem that happens way too often. We can't have just one scene in the video for this. Folks, you try and remember how many times your phone has died at the worst possible moment. When you're filming your kid's performance and right in the middle of it, your phone shuts down. Or imagine you have to tell your date you're running late. Picture that disaster. Or your battery dies in the middle of an important business call. Your online poker tournament is interrupted. You're lost and you can't look up online maps. Not only is Volterman super slim and ultra lightweight, but it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
You're my Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
The idea of Volterman started 2 years ago, and our team of engineers and designers have been working tirelessly on creating a perfect mix of design and technology. And here it is in its final shape, packed with super abilities.